Good afternoon, everyone. I, Kiran Tomar, Community Growth Officer at Fairgaze School Media. I'm privileged to introduce Ms. Ritu Malhotra, who is the principal of Einstein World School, and Ms. Shalini Singh, who is the principal of Aryukulam International School today here, where we all are taking part in this Cyber Jagrukta Awareness Camp organized by Panipat Institute of Engineering Technology. So, ma'am, I welcome both of you here. Thank you so much for taking part and giving me the time of yours. So, I want to understand what are your takeaways from this particular camp. What are your learnings?
For this, I can say, like nowadays, we are using social media everywhere and we are just stuck with each and everything for every learning. And awareness is at most required here so that we can keep ourselves secure and safe from all the scams that are happening nowadays.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate Pite College, Panipat, for inviting all of us for this cyber awareness camp. And through this camp, basically, the institute is educating all the leaders, all the school leaders regarding the phishing sites and the cyber scams, which nowadays is very common and normal. And we all are facing problems in one way or the other way. So basically, that is a very, very good initiative first. And wherever it is concerned regarding the cyber awareness, see, awareness is the first step to protect ourselves from any kind of the cyber scam, and then taking the necessary action or what kind of things which we can take or to prevent from these kinds of scam is a very good thing which we get to know here as well. And we can also make aware to all the people or all the students, because nowadays mobile phone or the advancement in technology students are having in their hand. And if we are not educating the students or the people in our surrounding regarding the things which they can face, unawareness is also a very big crime, or we can become a victim of anything. So that is why these kinds of cyber awareness camps or educating the educators or the school leaders as well as the student is a very necessary thing for nowadays, which I think. So that is the biggest takeaway for me, that there are certain things which we can do to not allow anyone to intrude in your privacy, to accept the cookies, and sometimes we hurry to get a site or to download something,
Yes.
and we do a lot of things which are not necessary.
Yes.
So this is the biggest takeaway for me, that what kind of things I can take now as an action to prevent ourselves from these kinds of losses or from the spams.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
And I can say that as CBSE and PITE has started a chain to educate us, and we can educate our teachers and students. So by this we can guide the society and we can save them.
So I also believe like we have taken this step just to aware. This is the only thing we can do on individual basis, right? This is where actually we are starting or initiating the conversation about this.
See, educating a person for each and everything is very much essential,
Yes.
or it is a basic root level thing which we can do towards anything. So after the educating, we become aware that there are so many things which we think that they are not harmful for me, but later sooner it will become.
Yes.
So after the awareness, definitely we should aware each and every person, because this is a time of high technology and we can't prevent ourselves from getting into it.
We just have to.
We all are
be ready.
studying.
Yes.
It is not our time that where technology was not that much advanced. Now, I can't take away mobile phone from any child, because that is a basic part of our life.
Right now. Yeah.
So, with the technology or with the advancement in technology, basically, at least we should aware our students as well as all the people in our surrounding that how we can protect ourselves, our privacy.
CBSE, yes.
And if it is broken or it is breached, then what should I do?
Definitely. It is something like, as for me, you can ignore it, but you can't avoid it.
Yes,
We are in
yes,
that
yes,
situation right
It
now.
is only just a thing that prevention is better than cure.
Cure.
Yes.
Yes. And we
And-
also come to know about the actions which we can take.
And
Okay.
as there is no free lunches,
Yeah.
so that is why definitely we have to pay in by the way of the financial losses or the
Exactly.
loss of our personal information
Okay,
if
ma'am.
something is given to us.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your
Thank you.
time. Thank you.
Thank you.